Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using Exodus Wallet. First, download and install the Exodus Wallet on your preferred device. Once installed, complete the initial setup process, making sure to securely back up your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you ever lose your device. Finally, ensure your wallet is funded with a supported cryptocurrency or fiat currency to begin. Now that your wallet is set up and funded, open Exodus and navigate to the exchange section. Here, you will see options to swap various cryptocurrencies. Select the asset you wish to exchange for Bitcoin from the You Send dropdown. Then, in the You Receive section, choose Bitcoin and enter the specific amount you want to purchase. The system will automatically calculate the equivalent amount. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the exchange details presented on the screen. This includes the current exchange rate, any applicable network fees, and the final amount of Bitcoin you will receive. Once you are satisfied with all the information, click the Exchange button to confirm the transaction. The conversion process will then begin, and your Bitcoin should appear in your wallet shortly. Always double-check all transaction details before confirming any exchange to prevent errors. Remember, your 12-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Keep it absolutely safe and never share it with anyone, even Exodus support. For more valuable insights on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Your financial security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.